The human person towards his impending death. The reality of life is that every one of us will surely die. Every one of us will surely cease to exist in this world. Ang lahat ay mamamatay. Ang lahat ng may pangalan ay namamatay. Come to think of this. Inilagay ka sa mundong yung ginagalawan nang hindi mo kilala ang iyong sarili bago ka pinanganak, hindi mo pinili ang iyong mga magulang, hindi mo pinili kung saan ka pinanganak, at pagkaraan noon ay mamamatay ka. Unti-unti bago mo malaman kung sino ka. The topic of the human person towards his impending death is not for us to anticipate death, but to realize that death gives meaning to our life. Death gives meaning to our life. Kung marirealize natin na unti-unti na tayong namamatay, unti-unti na tayong nawawala sa mundong ito, ay mas nakikita natin, napapahalagahan natin yung buhay natin. Kapag nakakita kayo ng ganyang image sa Facebook, usually you say condolence. This image is very meaningful because it gives us a clue that someone in the family or someone related to the one who posted this is already dead. Come to think of this image, one day babalik ka. Imagine, kaluluwa ka na lang, nandun ka sa burol mo and you'll see this candle. This makes us realize that death is something that will happen to each and every one of us. Kaya dapat alagaan natin ang buhay natin, alagaan natin yung meron tayo, and make the most out of everything that is happening to us, because whether we like it or not, mawawala ang mawawala. Imagine nakahiga ka na dyan sa kabaong na yan. Imagine nandyan ka na. You realize na marami ka pang ginagagawa, or you look at the image, you realize na one day pupunta ka dyan. You realize na maraming mawawala sa'yo, kaya you make the most out of your time. And whether we like it or not, nabubuhay tayo. At habang nabubuhay tayo, ay patuloy tayong nagsasuffer. Yan ang bagsak ng bawat isa. By now, you've already realized na we must make the most out of the time given to us in this world. We must make use of all the time that we have in this world in order for us to have a meaningful life.